In this video, we will be showing you how you can call and text on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So we will discuss first how to make and answer calls. First is to open the phone app. To swipe up from your watch face to see apps, and then tap the phone icon. Now choose a method. Tap the keypad icon to dial, contacts to select someone, or view recent calls. Now we have to initiate a call. Tap the green phone icon to start a call. Now, you can answer it by swiping the green icon to answer and then red to decline. You can also transfer the call. Tap the three dots and select switch the phone to move the call to your connected phone. Now, an LTE watch with a plan makes calls solo and a Bluetooth watch uses your phone. Just for clarification. Next is for sending and receiving text. From the apps list, you can see the messages icon. Now click it. Tap the Start Chat or the New Message icon and select from the contacts or use the keypad. Now use the microphone icon, which is for voice. You can also select emoji or write on screen or keyboard to create your message. Now tap the quick messages for preset responses if you want. And that's how you can call and text on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.